or any kinds of deformity, mental deformity, or social deformity, or the family deformity, whatever deformity is present, then this it is the counseling. Counseling cannot be the single way, one way. Then the Deepika told you the guidance. Guidance means the that guidance should be two way. That person is accepting or not accepting. That should be understood by the counselor. Okay. Okay, counseling, something that provides direction or the advice as to decision or the course of action. Okay, guidance and the acceptance, receiver and the giver and the receiver. Both sides that should be a one minimum point. There will be some bargaining with each other. There will be some bargaining to each other. Guidance means a single way, but if there is a this bargaining to each other, there will be the one midpoint to understand how to come the faster, how much distance should keep, and the next one how much distance should be kept. That is the midpoint. That midpoint is the counseling point. Okay, that midpoint is the counseling point. Then the subject matter contains message, substances, what a communication that is the about something is about. What about? The subject is not a defined subject for the counseling. What is the problem? Sometimes marriage counseling, sometimes this couple counseling, okay, sometimes educational counseling, sometimes the different environmental counseling, sometimes this substances counseling. Okay, then that counseling does the will different way, different technique and the different tools also. And that techniques and tools depend on the how the receiver and the how is giver. Guidance means the one way, single way. Then the receiver is there, and there will be some bargaining. The points, and then like see here some heater. Heater, how much the distance? How much? How to keep the heater in the distance? If heater is more closer, then that will be the more heats, and it is very difficult to tolerate. And if it is far from the person, then that heater could not give any heats, any warmth to the person. That's why that should be in between, and the what their measurement should be done by the both sides, not the single side. There is no any guidelines of single sides. There should be both sides. Then if there is a crowd, how to counsel them? Okay, if there is a quarreling each other, how to counseling them? It is a need to a midpoint. If there is a no midpoint, if there is no ready to for the counseling, both sides, it is not the counseling. It is not possible to counsel them. Okay. Okay. The counselor needs the following basic communication skills to do effective counseling. If these kinds of skills is absent in the counselor, the person cannot counsel. Okay, then the attending refers to the way in which the counselor can be with their clients both physically and psychologically. Okay, this attending physically and psychologically. If one is not ready, if one is annoying, if the other person cannot bring in together, that's why that both persons should be accept to come in a common point. This psychologically. Okay, okay. See here, these are the counseling points. These are the counseling way. Here, stage of person goes through after the positive results. Now, these points. Can you see this picture, this graph? अच्छा कोही बोलेको छैन के हो? दीपिका तिमी मात्रै बोल्ने हो? हेलो,
देखिँदैछ सर।
देखिँदैछ? मलाई देखेको छ?
Yes, sir.
मेरो चाहिँ यहाँ स्लाइड उसमा स्क्रिनमा त्यति आइरहेको छैन, त्यसले गर्दा मैले सोधिरहेको छु. ओके, ओके. HIV positives, the person who got the message or the who know the after the checkup, he got the positives. Okay, then the how he will feel. Okay, how you will feel? Definitely shocked, unexpected. Then what will he do? Shock. How much time he will spend for shock? कति समयसम्म मान्छे सक्दो बस्न सक्छ? कति समयको हुन्छ? त्यतिखेर काउन्सिलिङले काम गर्छ कि गर्दैन? गर्छ कि गर्दैन? प्रज्वल भन. खोइ आज पूर्वे पनि बोल्दैन, कहाँ गयो? हेलो, हेलो. How much time the person can be in shock mode? कति समयसम्म सकमा रहन सक्छ? हैन? That give any suggestion. Okay, after the shock, when he will back from the shock, when if he can feel denial and it is impossible, it cannot be, यो हुनै सक्दैन, it is not possible, I have not done this mistake, I have not, you will say denial, हुनै सक्दैन, it is impossible. उसले भन्न सक्छ, जसुकैले भन्न सक्छ, किनभने उसलाई त्यो कुरा समाज कुनै डाउटै छैन, कहीँ कुनै गरेको छैन, उसको सोध्न लाग्ने उसलाई चाहिँ कुनै पनि शंका छैन. अब त्यो डिनायल पछि त होइन त भन्यो, तर भयो, व्हाट टु डु? भइ त सको, व्हाट टु डु? अब he will angry, the person will anger, show the anger, he will break something, he will heat person, and he will anger, so his angriness destroy you start to destroy the things to take a revenge, like a revenge types. Okay, then how much time the person can take this kinds of show the anger? How much time? The duration of the time, anger time. Okay, then he will definitely could not do more time. Okay, you will lost the power, he will lost the immunity, and then and after the he start bargaining. Okay, oh, who has done it? I have to give the revenge. मैले कसले बाबुको बार्गेनिङ गर्न थाल्छ, मैले अब कसले गरेर यस्तो, यसलाई म छोड्ने छैन, I will kill, I will destroy, I will break, I will, what will you do? They start to bargaining, and the after the bargaining, okay, after the person bargaining, he has done so many mistakes from the shock, denial, anger, and the bargaining. There will be so many mistakes you will fail. At that time, he got the disease like HIV/AIDS, and he start to fear. Okay, oh, what to do? You will lose everything. You will lose everything, and you will say fear. What to do? How to get the? How to continue my life? The like this, you will say think. Okay, you will fear. When the person comes on the fear, then the fear person can go loneliness, do not talk, shy, and the shyness, and they do not eat perfectly. There is a loss of appetite, everything that will become, and they try to select the lonely place, isolation place. Then he will remain there. At that time, if there will be no soft corner for that persons by the counselor or the any family member or any supporter, that person can go more harmful way. Sometimes he will go in depression. Sometimes he will go up to suicide also. At that time, when the person after fear, if that loneliness, and the depression and the psychological disorder, he will go there. By the psychological disorder, the person can get the loss of his life also, can go in up to suicide. Okay, then when the comes after the counseling, the person counseling comes on the self-consciousness. Self-consciousness, I have a HIV positive. I got this HIV positive anyhow, anyway. I have a issue. There is a new option to for me to bargain, to be denial, to angry, to bargain. There is a no option. Self-consciousness. Then the then after then the conscious भयो मलाई भयो यो चाहिँ भइसकेको छ, then they still they go to the depression. In the conscious mode, the person can, if the person can get the counseling to proper guidelines, proper way, proper place, and proper environments, that the person do not go to the depression. Otherwise, the person can get the depression. Okay, then if that person get the proper counseling, that person can accept the things. I have to live. I have a life. Life is still have the medicine can be developed, can be advanced, can be produced, or can be the research will give these kinds of treatment. You will accept. Okay, after the acceptance, the hope will be created. Where there is a hope, there is a life. Where there is a hope, there is a way. There, that's why they up to the hopes. When the people feel hopes, and that person can leave. That person cannot go again. These kinds of situation furthermore. Okay, then they see what will be the face of the infected person first time, then he's a loser, he's a all or her all the body expression, everything. Okay, then after the counseling, what will happen? I will show. Effective attending tells the clients that you are with them, and that they can share their own with you. Effective attending also puts you in position to listen carefully to what your clients are saying. At that time, the clients and the clients and the counselor will be in the very close position. At that time, they will listen carefully what the other person is saying, what types of a guideline is the other person is giving. They effectively they are listening, and they are giving. The giver will also should keep on very sensitive way. What things can that clients accept, and what things client cannot accept? What things can make the clients more painful, and what things make the clients some easy place. Okay, that things should be understood by the counselor. That at that time, okay, after the counseling, the person can become like this, like a hopeful life, getting something, and there is I have nothing lost. I am the person can carry the everything to my life. That person can say the before counseling and the after counseling. The hope will created for this one. There is a hope. There is no hope for this person, and there is a hope for this person. See here, the counselor can convert like this. Okay, then like see the acronym of the SOLAR. You can use to help you to show your inner attitudes and the values of the respect and the guidelines towards the clients. Okay, this is a version of the Kigan. The solar. What is the solar? Solar means the how to give the shape of the counselor and the this clients. Okay, squarely face your clients. Okay, this is the way of counseling. Squarely face your clients. Then there will be the adopt a bodily posture that indicates involvement with your clients. Okay, more angle position may be preferable for some clients in this like COVID periods. Okay, that needs a counseling. That is a square face. The face to face is not possible, and there will be a chance of the communication of this communicable disease. Okay, that with the square face and the side face it needs either a accept or the not accept. Okay, as long as you pay attention to the clients. But the whatever face, whatever position you have, the attention should towards the clients. Okay, the text between you and your clients may, for instance, okay, create a psychological barrier between you. If there will be some rejecting things, the difficult things are barrier something that may not support. That will be the barrier for this clients and the counselor. That should be understood. O means open posture. Your posture is a very valuable. Your posture is a very informative. Your posture is a very acceptable. Okay, ask yourself to what degree your posture communicates the open availability to the clients. See, measure, measure your posture may or may not accepted by the clients. Your posture is much important for the counselor. Okay, cross leg and the cross arms may be interrupted as uh, diminish the involvement with the client or even unavailability or remoteness. Okay, if you do like this odd types of a posture, odd types of posture is not acceptable, and therefore if that posture will disturb the for other or the or clients, while an open posture can be a sign that you are open to the clients and to what he or she has to say. Okay, that posture, sometimes posture also help to to enhance the activities, enhance the this counseling. Okay, that counseling will give the support. That counseling, that counselor will give that posture to attract the clients towards you or towards the counselor. Okay, L means lean towards the client. Always the person who is counseling that it should lean to when it is appropriate to show your involvement and interest to lean back from your client may convey the posture message. Okay, then the message, that posture message is the valuable, and the person can understand and they can start to talk, can start to kindly talk, kindly position. Okay, E means eye contact. E means eye contact with the client conveys the message, convey the message that you are interested in what the client has to say. That your eyes show how much you are interested, how much you are given the attention to the clients, and you're thinking only towards the clients. Then your eyes provides the sympathy. Your eyes provides empathy, and your eyes provides the love. This very touchful lustful towards him. If you catch yourself looking away frequently, ask yourself why you are reluctant to get involved with this person, or why you feel so uncomfortable in his or her presence. Okay, here see the client does not matter. Client if the counselor does not better, he is internally not well, he is internally not fit, he is not internally discomfort, but this internally discomfort, unwellness, and the uneasy should be hide by the counselor. If he could not hide, or the counselor could not hide these barriers, or these unwillingness that the client cannot get any information, cannot accept, and cannot the counseling program will not fulfill the criteria, and it is not the counseling. Beware of the fact that direct eye contact is not regarded as acceptable in all cultures. See here, See here, important part. The eye contact is not regarded as acceptable in some cultures. सिधा हेरो भन्छ नि, मेरो आँखाले सिधा हेरो, उसले मसँग चाहिँ छड्के पारेर हेरो, मलाई यस्तो मेरो आँखा तरेर हेरो भन्ने खालको चाहिँ कुनै कुनै कल्चरले पनि त्यो गरिरहेको हुन्छ। त्यो उसले त्यो क्लाइन्टले कसरी एक्सेप्ट गरिरहेको छ, त्यो हेराइलाई उसले चाहिँ मैले उसलाई हेर्दाखेरि काउन्सिलरले हेर्दाखेरि उसले आफ्नो नट डाउन गरेको छ कि छैन, उसलाई सेम मलाई चाहिँ के भने लज्जाको महसुस गरेको छ कि छैन, that should be measured by the counselor. Okay, then there will be some person, उसले मलाई छड्के आँखालाई हेर्यो त्यसै रिसायो, उसले मलाई आँखाले हेर्यो त्यसै रिसायो, उसले मलाई आँखाले गाली गर्यो उसले मलाई त्यसै रिसायो, उसले मलाई आँखा झिम्कायो भनेर चाहिँ के भने भन्ने पनि के भने these are cultural parts, acceptable and not acceptable. Okay, you are getting the point? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You are getting the point? I think you will not get these materials in your book. Okay, I have collected so many places, and so this is the I think you will not get in books. Please, my this lectures, my conversation, okay, my delivery, if you utilize it for you, it will remain forever to implement. Okay, that's why I am providing this counseling way to you. Okay, R. Okay, try to be relaxed or the natural with the client. Try to be relaxed. Okay, try to be relaxed and sometimes be humorous, sometimes tell joke, sometimes tell anyway. Okay, विभिन्न चाहिँ तरिकाहरू अपनाउने उसलाई खुसी पार्नको लागि, natural with the client. Okay, don't be nervous. Don't forget the nervous. कहिले पनि नर्भस हुने, एकदम रिसायो गाली गरिरहेछ भने पनि त्यो क्लाइन्टको तर्फबाट नर्भस हुनु पर्दैन, नर्भस भएकै सिद्धि हो. इन्गेज इन द डिस्ट्र्याक्टिङ फेस एक्सप्रेसन्स. ओके, जब रिसायो भने उसको फेसबाट डिस्ट्र्याक्ट हुने कोसिस गर्ने, उसलाई चाहिँ के भने उसले थाहा नपाइकन उसको फेसबाट आफ्नो फेसलाई चाहिँ आफूलाई चाहिँ डिस्ट्र्याक्ट गरिदिने. द क्लाइन्ट्स मे begin to under what it is in himself. उसलाई पनि थाहा हुन्छ फेसबाट उसले के भनेदेखि आफ्नो फेस डिस्ट्र्याक्ट भयो, कन्ट्र्याक्ट डिस्ट्र्याक्ट भइसकेपछि उसलाई लाग्छ मैले गल्ती गरेँ कि भन्ने महसुस हुन्छ. हैन त्यो त्यो कर्नरलाई सफ्ट कर्नरलाई दिनुपर्छ मे बिगिन टु अन्डर व्हाट इट इज इन हिमसेल्फ or the herself that makes you show nervousness. Okay, this is the way of the counseling. Okay, being relaxed means that you are the comfortable with using your body as a vehicle of contract and the expression and for putting the clients at ease. To ease the problems, okay, to enhance the solution, okay, to enhance the way of solution, okay, effective attending puts the counselor in a position to listen carefully to what their clients are saying or not saying. Okay, this is the effective counseling. Okay. Then in counseling, okay, then now we are coming from the questionnaire, pre-testing, validation, interview schedule. Okay, now they're making a questionnaire. Okay, now the counseling is the chapter is over. Now how to make the question. Questionnaire, pre-testing, validation of the questionnaire, interview schedule. Okay, now I will give some points for the questionnaire. What is questionnaire? What is questionnaire? What is question? What is easy? To write the answer is easy or to make the question is easy? Hello? Hello? Ekafle, Prajol, कहाँ आएको? हेलो लामिछाने
हजुर सर
कहाँ राख्नु कुन सजिलो to make the question is easy or to give the answer is easy question सजिलो
answer लेख्न होला सर
answer लेख्न सजिलो okay अनि question बनाउन it is very difficult to make the question okay question means the question the validation of the question the importance of the question कति एन्सर को डिमान्ड गर्छ के डिमान्ड गर्छ भनेर त्यसलाई मेजर गरेर क्वेशन बनाउन गाह्रो हुन्छ क्वेशन बनाउन त सोध्दिन सजिलो हुन्छ तर त्यो एन्सर के आउँछ त्यसलाई त्यसको लिमिटेसन के हो एन्सर को लिमिटेसन मेजर गरेर क्वेशन बनाइन्छ it is difficult to make the question it is difficult to select the limitation of the answers कति एन्सर दिने तर धेरैले त्यो लिमिटेड एन्सर दिएको हुँदैन कसैले एन्सर पुरा पुगेको हुँदैन कसैले त्यो एन्सर को क्वेशन को परिधि भित्र बसेर एन्सर दिएको हुँदैन कति डिमान्ड गरेको छ त्यो चाहिँ के डिमान्डमा पुगेको हुँदैन है र त्यसले के भन्छ त्यहाँ डिफरेन्ट मैले त्यो मेजर एटिट्युड मेजरमेन्ट गर्ने तरिका सिकाएको थियो नि त्यहाँ मिड पोइन्ट कहीँ भेट्ने ठाउँ हुँदैन त्यो एभरेज मात्रै भेट्ने ठाउँ हुन्छ जस्तै एग्री र डिसएग्री को बीचमा जति चाहिँ के हुन्छ भनेदेखि त्यो हुन्छ त्यस्तै गरी यो क्वेशन र एन्सर को बीचमा त्यतिकै डिस्टेन्स हुन्छ कति कभर गरेको छ कति पर्सेन्ट कभर गरेको छ त्यसैले एसएक्यू मा फुल मार्क्स आउँदैन किन कहिलेकै एसएक्यू मा फुल मार्क्स आउँदैन किन नआएको होला The person will not get the full marks in the SCQ. Whatever answer MCQ, they will get the full marks, but why not SCQ full marks? के राम्रो एन्सर लेख्दैन र सबैले क्वेशन त कसैले त राम्रो एन्सर पनि लेख्छ नि त तर कसैले धेरै लेखेको हुन्छ त्यो पनि फुल मार्क्स पाएन कसैले पुगेको त्यहाँ एन्सर पुगेको भने त्यो पनि फुल मार्क्स पाएन धेरै लेखेर पनि त्यो एक्स्ट्रा भयो त्यो उसको लिमिटेसन पार गर्यो अब चाहिँ के भने त्यो लिमिट भन्दा गइसक्यो अगाडि गइसक्यो त्यो पनि the reduction of the marks and the some person could not get the points and the lose the important parts that will also the valuable place to reduce the marks. Okay, structure question there will be exactly three types of questions: structure, semi-structure, open-ended question. Okay, FGD is the separate. FGD is focus group discussion. Okay, FGD structure means the limited and the particular answer. Structure means there will be no chance of changing any writing other answer to write or the just this circle or the tick or the select one point structure. There will be no chance to select to give this personal view, personal dissatisfaction and dissatisfaction of the specify, give the corner for the semi-structure. Specify. It is semi-structure means always for the quality, this quantitative research. Quantitative methodology will follow always the structure methods of the questionnaire. And a semi-structure and open-ended. Semi-structure both for the quantitative and qualitative. And open-ended the questionnaire is for the qualitative answer. Qualitative research. Okay, you will give the quality. It will not need more and more than data, but the single or two or three data will enough for the open-ended. There will be a case study also for the open-ended. Okay, open-ended, there will be you guys have the multiple chance to give your view, to give collect the multiple data. FGD means focus group discussion. As focus group discussion, same type of, same group of, same problem of, same the propose of the that kind types of group is needed for the focus group discussion. Okay, both it is for the research or the for the proposal writing, and the questionnaire is needed to get the information. Questionnaire is for the getting information, getting answer. That answer will be evaluated in different way. Okay, then there will be a need chi-square test, the average, and the different types of this testing the validation of the questionnaire and the answers. Definite tools can be FGD, focus group discussion. Okay, then if you are, I think you will get the one PBL as a practical. Then at that time I will give this how to conduct the focus group discussion, and the what is focus group discussion. At that time I will talk. Okay, okay. Various condition of the counseling. Various condition of the counseling. SIBS, family life education. Family life education counseling. What is family life education? Family life education. Hello? Hello?
हजुर सर
What is family life education? के बुझिन्छ family life education भनेर? Family life education is sex education. Sex education is the regarding to the reproductive organs, regarding to the family planning, regarding to the childbearing, regarding to the different way of getting married. Okay, these are different types of counseling. It's related to the sex education. This is converted to the family life education for the easiness. It is easy to talk if you use this family life education. This is easy to talk in different various types of a group, various types of culture, various types of these customs. Okay, this is easy to conduct the programs. Okay, program. SIBS counseling. SIBS counseling. I have showed some figures. In that figures, okay, sometimes how the person thinking about the this HIV/AIDS, what is the possibility or the chance? What is the this fatal percentage of the fatal? What is the recovery rates? Whether it can be treated or not? Whether can the medicine can function or not? These things can use in counseling. Couple counseling. If there is a disharmony with the couple, if there is a misbehave with the couple, if the torture of the couple, or if there is a violence, domestic violence like for the couple, okay, at that time the couple counseling is needed. If the couple is couple get the education or the life family life education or the any types of counseling, that the counseling will give the solution what to do, and sometime the problem will be solved of the couple, the problem will solve by the counseling to breakage of the life, to breakage of the family. That is like a divorce, separation, before converting the divorce or the separation, the counseling is needed. Okay, marriage counseling. Okay, how to marriage counseling? Marriage counseling is the one of the why it is talking with you. You are a medical person. Why it is needed to you? Okay, where the problem will born. प्रब्लम कहाँ जन्मिन्छ, प्रब्लम जन्मिने ठाउँहरू यिनीहरू हुन्। त्यसैले यसको बारेमा थाहा पाइराख्नुपर्छ। प्रब्लम चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने रोगलाई जस्तै गरी यो सोसियल काउन्सिलिङको पनि त्यतिकै आवश्यक पर्छ। जस्तै म्यारिज काउन्सिलिङ गर्ने बेलामा म्यारिज कोसँग गरिन्छ, कस्तोसँग गरिन्छ, कति एजुकेसन हुन्छ, उसको ब्लड ग्रुप के हो, ऊ कुनै रोगबाट ग्रसित छ कि छैन, उसको संस्कार के हो, कुन चाहिँ के अरे गोत्रमा जन्मेको हो, उसले चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने उसलाई कुनै यो चाहिँ के भन्छ चाहिँ के अरे फ्यामिलियर डिजिज छ कि छैन। फ्यामिलियर डिजिज मिन्स व्हाट इज फ्यामिलियर डिजिज? फ्यामिलियर डिजिज भनेको के? फ्यामिलियर डिजिज anyone of you? Familiar disease.
सबै फ्यामिली मेम्बरलाई लागेको, अर्थात् वान जेनेरेसनबाट अर्को जेनेरेसनमा सरेको
हो। एउटा जेनेरेसनबाट अर्को जेनेरेसनमा हुने खालको डिजिजहरू छ भने फ्यामिलियर डिजिज, लाइक डायबेटिक, हेमोफिलिया, सिकल सेल, like familiar disease. It will same type of a group. And hemophilia is a little bit different. Hemophilia is a male carrier, female carrier, male sufferer. In hemophilia, male sufferer, female carrier. Female carrier गर्छ, suffer चाहिँ male हुन्छ भनिन्छ हैन। कस्तो खालको डिजिज रे हेमोफिलिया? The familiar disease. Okay? And the many persons are before counseling, before the marriage, if counseling was done, this kinds of a problem will be vanished, removed, or the solved. Personal confidential counseling. Okay, confidential matter. Like if a private organs, if you want to talk about the private organs, and if you want to like this transsexual or sometimes transsexual organs, sometimes this third gender. Okay, these types of they do not like to issue these matters, and this is the very confidential counseling is needed. Then see here, I will give one. But I have no time that much. But for this personal counseling, okay, personal counseling will give the very important message to the individual. Counseling will get more by the related to the private organs or confidential matters. Okay, and the genetic counseling. Genetic counseling is I've this used for the couple this marriage counseling. In marriage counseling and genetic counseling, I thought it will comes in this genetic counseling. Sometimes they like a face, head, the body structure, genetic structure is like same, but the visible the structure is different. Okay, now they know that parts are then they will be for the next class. I think time is over. Is it? Time सक्यो हैन दीपिका?
सक्यो सर
अर्को के क्लास छ तिमीहरुको? कि छैन? म कन्टिन्यू गरौँ? सोध त यो क्लास अलिकति बढाइदिउँ 10 मिनेट जति।
सर भोक लागिसक्यो।
भोक लागिसक्यो, त्यही भनेर त मलाई पनि यहाँ सोच आइसक्यो। भोक लाग्यो। त्यसो भए अर्को स्लाइड अर्को क्लास गरौँ न त है।
हुन्छ सर, धन्यवाद।
तिमीहरु खाना खाऊ, अर्को स्लाइड चाहिँ म अर्को क्लासमा कन्टिन्यू गर्छु है त।
हुन्छ सर।
हुन्छ सर।
आज कति जना भयो दीपिका टोटल?
सर 87 जना छु।
86 जना छ।